Do you want to call Grandma?
Yeah.
You want to call her? Should I leave the lights on?
Oops, pass it.
Jeremy?
Easy pass it.
Hey. Jeremy?
Oops.
Mommy's talking to you.
What?
Do you want to call Grandma with the lights on?
No.
Well, what do you want to do?
I want she video pass it. Please.
Do you want to try and call Grandma with the lights on or off?
I want it off.
Why?
Off.
Why do you want the lights off?
I need it off.
But why?
I don't want it on.
Well, do you want Grandma to see your pumpkins?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't want Grandma.
Jeremy, please don't do that with the tablecloth. Okay, you can call Grandma in the dark.
I don't want to go Grandma. I don't want to. I don't want Grandma.
You turn the light off?
I don't want Grandma.
Look at the pumpkins.
I don't want to call Grandma.
Well, I'm calling Grandma. You don't have to talk to her.